Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Applied Thermodynamics by Mekanki with Dr. Abid Hussain. In this lecture, we are solving problem 3.7. The statement is 1 kilogram of air is compressed isothermally and reversibly from 1 bar and 30 degrees centigrade to 5 bar. Calculate the work input and heat supplied. First, we write the given data. So, mass is given to us is 1 kg, is compressed isothermally and reversibly. Working fluid is air. Working fluid is equal to air. Process is isothermal compression. Process is equal to isothermal compression. Isothermal means that temperature is constant and compression means that volume is decreases and pressure is increases. So isothermal process is according to PV is equal to C. This is isothermal process. From 1 bar and 30 degrees centigrade, initial pressure is 1 bar and initial temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. Convert this degree centigrade into Kelvin. So 30 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 303 Kelvin. And final pressure P2 is equal to 5 bar. Calculate work input and heat supplied. So first we find work. So formula for work is minus integral of 1 to 2 PdV. This is isothermal process. PV is equal to C. So P is equal to C by V. So W is equal to minus integral of 1 to 2. P is equal to C divided by V dV. So this implies that W is equal to minus C is constant. Integral of 1 over V is equal to natural log of V, and lower limit is V1 and upper limit is V2. So W is equal to minus C. Apply upper limit and lower limit, so which is equal to natural log of V2 minus natural log of V1. Now apply logarithmic law. So natural log of V2 minus natural log of V1 is equal to natural log of V2 divided by V1. Now C is equal to PV. PV is equal to C or C is equal to PV. And according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to R. PV is equal to RT. So we can write here PV is equal to RT. And we know that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So V2 divided by V1 is equal to V2 divided by V1 is equal to P1 divided by V2. So put these values in equation. So W is equal to minus the value of C is RT and natural log of V2 divided by V1 is equal to P1 divided by P2. So W is equal to minus R. The value are R per year. Per year ideal gas constant is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. And temperature is 303 Kelvin. Natural log of P1 is equal to 1 bar and P2 is equal to 5 bar. So W is equal to, if we solve this is simple calculation. So the answer of final answer of W will be minus 140 kilojoule per kilogram. And positive sign mean that work done on this system or work input. Work done on this system or work input will be equal to 140 kilojoule per kg. Now, according to non-flow energy equation, Q plus W is equal to U2 minus U1. And for isothermal process, for isothermal process, U1 is equal to U2. So U2 minus U1 is equal to 0. So Q plus W is equal to 0. So Q plus 140 kilojoule per kg is equal to 0. So this implies that Q is equal to minus 140 kilojoule per kg. Negative sign means that heat is rejected. So heat rejected is equal to 140. Negative sign means heat rejected. Heat rejected is equal to 140 kilojoule per kg. And this is the final solution. And for more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.